What's up everyone, Luke here from Skip the Dump, and today we're going to be taking down 2 metal sheds. This is a customer I initially got through Google. It's a repeat customer. Last time I did a pretty big job for her. So we're going to go smash this job out. I'm going to take you guys with me. It's going to be a simple job today. We're going to get some scrap metal. I'm going to show you what we're going to make. So let's go get into the video. We're going to knock those 2 sheds down right now. We're going to do this the easy way. We're going to use the truck and we're going to pull them over. All right, we got it all done up with the strap. Hopefully it's going to go the way we want it. Let's see here. I'm hoping because the wood's rotten at the base, it should just pull right out. But let's see what happens. It's good. So I kind of had a feeling that would happen. Usually just pull it out, but sometimes you get lucky and it will pull the whole structure. But now we'll just clean it up. We're going to take these walls, cut them down, then we're going to pull the same with this one. So far we got most of it. Got this back wall, a couple other pieces. Shouldn't be too long, we'll be about an hour here. Then we're gonna go take this to the scrap yard. We're gonna see what we're gonna get in metal. Thing with these sheds, they're not that heavy, but it's still a free dump fee, right? So we'll go and get this done, wrap this up, and let's see what we can make. The last piece, the cherry on top. Boom. All right, the shed's all loaded up. Man, that was hot, that was sweaty. Anyways, we're gonna take this to the metal yard. We're gonna see what we get. Job is finally complete. Took us about 45 minutes. Let's see how much metal we have. All the metal. Offloaded that metal. Now we're gonna go see what the scale says and see how many Lukey dollars we get. £700. All that metal and we only got $70.